we will be deliberating on gender equality and women empowerment. And our focus is on prioritizing areas of national and county levels that women need to be involved in.
So even as women, as we talk about this issue, we are not here to make apologies. We are here to indicate the law has clearly provided this as an aspiration for women, and bearing in mind again that women, we are different, we are diverse. We have young women, marginalized women, women from minority groups, women amongst us who are living with different disabilities. So these are the things we need to be very serious about. And as we push for the implementation of this actualization through political parties, that we are very, very clear about it.
I struggle when we look at men and we call them leaders, but when we look at women, we have to qualify them women leaders. There is evidence that countries that are women-led are advancing socially and economically very fast.